On today's how-to video, we have this Bentley Bentayga, and we're going to show you how to program your garage door opener. First, let's make sure we are on the home screen. If not, tap this little home icon. Next, we're going to tap the car icon. We're going to see a couple different menu items here. We're going to tap the top right with the car and gear cog icon. We're going to tap vehicle settings next. Here we have a scroll bar, a couple different options. We're going to go to garage door opener. If you bought this car used, you can clear all remotes first. This is going to get rid of all the previous owner's garage doors and allow you to program yours. Hit OK. Next, learn new remote. Program button 1. And then all you have to do is point the transmitter towards the rear view mirror. Press and hold the button on your garage transmitter right around here, and then just follow the prompts on the screen.